How to hire a home cleaning service right here in Central Maryland. Don't forget to check out this month's blog at www.mdreprosblog.com and be sure to read this month's newsletter at www.mdreprosnewsletter.com. It's filled with great and helpful information. Are you in need of a little extra help around your home? If so, here are some top tips for hiring a cleaning service. First, discuss your expectations with the company up front. Ask for specifics about what will get done and what they will charge. Next, inquire about their crew. Find out how long they've been with the company and if they do background checks before they hire someone. Finally, conduct some due diligence. Request client references, read reviews online, and ask for proof of insurance. And if you're searching for a professional cleaning service right here in Central Maryland, just reach out to me for a list of our favorite cleaning companies. Hakuna Matata. It means no worries for all your real estate days. Hundreds of Maryland home buyers and home sellers have trusted myself and the Maryland Real Estate Professional team with their most valuable negotiations, their homes. We look forward to earning your trust as well. If you hear of anybody looking to buy or sell real estate in the near future, please let them know about the Maryland Real Estate Professional difference. We'll be glad to help them out and treat them with the same kind and concern that we would have with you. Have a great week. I look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.